The 4 screws on the top and bottom rails need to be removed to enable the side rail to be detached. The glazing panel can then be inserted into the sash, ensuring that in the case of polycarbonate, the breather tape is to the bottom edge. The side rail is reattached to the main vent section with the 4 screws. Insert the wedge gasket, starting from one side of the vent bracket. The outer edge of the gasket must be cut at each corner to ease installation. The top and bottom glazing beads must be removed prior to applying a continuous bead of silicone to the full width of the outer frame. A V-groove on the frame indicates the correct position of the silicone bead. Reattach the beads and the small top glazing sheet into the top of the outer frame. Position the outer frame assembly between the roof bars, then push towards the wall plate or ridge until the top glazing sheet is fully inserted. Once the lower piece of glazing has been slotted into place, the glazing bead can be fully located. Whilst holding the sash at an angle of approximately 50 degrees to the outer frame, locate the opening of the sash socket onto the hinge. Pull the sash onto the hinge and close the vent.